What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you on. Today, guys, we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu's death cross and what that actually means and what to expect in the short term and long term. Now, remember, as always, I like to preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor, just putting you guys on the plays that I'm in. And if you are new around here, it'd mean the world to me if you consider smashing the like button and subscribing to the channel. Bitcoin, ETH, and the remainder of the cryptocurrency market continues to consolidate. We're not seeing much momentum in either the uptrend or the down. Now, Shiba Inu is currently ranked 15th, dropping below Tron and Litecoin over the last few days, as we're seeing, again, a lot of consolidation over the past day, but over the last few months, still holding strong as we had some momentum at the beginning of 2023. But now we're anticipating this Shibarium beta testnet. As we know, Shibarium's website is live. We know that the intake form is live. Thousands of people have already put in their applications, but the big thing that we need to notice here is that, again, investors are looking for more. Volume is up about 25%, which isn't too great, but what we're going to talk about is some technical analysis in this video. And it's crucial for all of us as investors not to only look at sentiment and how the Bitcoin fear and greed index is performing or how the global cryptocurrency market is performing. We also need to look at how is SHIB performing on a SHIB level. So before I do so, remember there's always a link down below for Moomoo. So get your 17 free stocks when you deposit money into your Moomoo trading account. Take advantage of free money when it presents itself to you. So here it is. Shiba Inu set for death cross. But does it really matter? This was a publication on You Today about 9 hours ago. And I think they shed light on some things that we should have in discussion. So the death cross is a technical analysis term used to describe the point at which the short-term moving average crosses below the long-term moving average, indicating a bearish trend. Remember, I'm not some type of TA expert by any means, but there are some things that I tend to look at when assessing entry points for cryptocurrencies, including the relative strength index. Sometimes I'll look at exponential moving averages or the EMAs, even the standard moving averages, so the SMMA. But today what we're looking at is this death cross. So in case for SHIB, the 50-day moving average, so where it would be based off the 50-day moving average, has crossed below the 200-day EMA or the exponential moving average, leading to the formation of a death cross. And you could see that charted right here below on this Shiba Inu Tether US Binance chart. So now, not all analysts believe in the significance of the death and golden cross and firmly believe that they do not have any analytical value. But what we've seen before is sometimes when we cross these kind of things, we could see what we call a falling knife or a pretty significant sell-off in the downtrend. Now, in my opinion, we're just seeing better entry points. As soon as good news occurs and we see that momentum is shifting back into the crypto market, all TA kind of goes to the side. And I know there are people who are technical traders who trade in the short term. And with that being said, short term, this could be significant. Long term, and anything I'd say above a week, we don't know where crypto is heading week to week. We really don't. One piece of news or sentiment can send everything north or switch the market from this consolidating bearish trend over the last week or two to something more bullish. So with that being said, I always say take technical analysis, especially in the long term, as a grain of salt. Don't overly stress and understand that if you have the same conviction that you had for SHIB when it was at all-time highs in 2021, and maybe you bought the top, I know I bought more at the top, the fact is here, you can kind of assess and understand, hey, in the long term, nothing has changed from my vision with SHIB. And with that being said, I could take advantage of the volatility, especially in the downtrend, and execute some buys on the way down. And hopefully you could set things like limit buy orders and even limit sell orders to make sure, if we fall below a certain point where you can't have that risk anymore, that's when you assess, hey, maybe I do need to get out. But in my opinion, personally, because we're so far off all-time highs when we look at the chart, I think, again, for SHIB, the return to all-time highs is highly potential. I said the word high there a lot, but I think it's true. But with that being said, a lot has to happen in the global cryptocurrency market as $2 trillion has been wiped out since 2021. And I think, again, we need to see those institutional buyers come back in and also the retail investors to get more excited. But at times of a recession or uncertainty, Of course, with that being said, we don't really know what direction we'll head, at least not in the short term. The long term, I have my eyes on crypto for sure as one of the investment vehicles that I think has the biggest upside. But with that being said, I did send out a tweet saying cryptocurrency, especially meme coins or microcaps, have the highest upside potential compared to any other investment vehicle. But also, it does bear the risk of a very low downside, meaning that they can go very high up or they can go down significantly as well. So depending on your risk tolerance, assess that for yourself and make sure if you're getting into crypto, you understand the volatility that comes with it. I do appreciate your support as always. Thank you all so much for tuning in. That's all I had for you guys today. And until next time, everybody, as always, keep investing. Peace.